friends, it's Fun Science Mania Friday, and I am back in my science lab. So friends, all week long we have been doing fun science experiments, observing crystallization, and doing all things soap. But before we get started, let's start the day right and start with a self-affirming pledge. Are you ready? Let's do it. Today we start the day knowing that we are all unique, special, talented, super smart, ready and able to learn anything and everything we tackle in our classroom. Have a beautiful, sparkly, simply the best day. That was amazing. So friends, all week long we have been using what? Our $2 million words, prediction and observation, to guide our work this week. I started off on Monday doing a really cool crystallization project, learning and observing how rock candy forms. Throughout the week, I have shown you my different samples. So it's Friday. I'm going to finally pull out the last two samples I have to observe how my rock candy crystals finally formed and how big they actually got. So you ready? Can I show you? So here's my last two cups that I haven't touched at all. My blue cup and my green cup. So let's see. I started out this project knowing and understanding that I was gonna have to be really, really patient in order to watch my rock candy grow. Let's see how it all turned out. Oh my goodness, the stick is so stiff. Ooh, so here's the long, wow. Look at my long skinny skewer. Can you see that, friends? Yeah, wow, they really formed nicely. So what did I learn from this? This was one of the cups that I didn't touch or stir at all. So maybe part of this process is leaving it in a still form. Let's look at the other one. Nicely formed rock crystals. Wow. This is going to be great in a cup of coffee or iced tea. Fantastic. Okay, let's take a look at the green jar. Also has remained in a still place, a still quiet place, and I haven't touched it at all since Monday. Ooh, it's stiff. Wow. This one's even bigger. Fantastic. So it looks like it takes a full 5 days to get some nice, bulky rock candy crystals. And let's see the other popsicle stick. Let's compare these two. Nice. It looks like the skewer, the skinny stick, these are called skewers, got some more crystallization on it throughout this bottom portion than the popsicle stick. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. So friends, there you have it. There's our crystallization project, and I think overall what we learned is that this is a project that requires patience. It needs to be in a still, quiet place in your house, and you really can't just disturb it. You have to let it be for quite a few days in order to get some nice rocks. Okay, so now let's get to all things soap. So I also began talking to you a little bit about the differences that I observed between a bar of ivory soap and a bar of dial soap. I went ahead and I put it in the microwave to see what would happen. And I got these beautiful, fluffy, white crystals that then I added some water and I put into a mold. And I was able to reconstitute the soap. And look what I got. These amazing, cute, fun little bars now of star and heart-shaped ivory soap. And all I did was put it in the microwave for a minute and add some water. I'll come back to that in a minute. So look what happened with my dial soap. I also put it in the microwave for a minute and I didn't get the same fluffy effect. I got some really brittle bits. I don't think there's anything I'm gonna be able to do with this. So I got to thinking. I took another bar of Ivory soap and put it back in the microwave to show you the process. So look how easy. You see how it comes out like this fluffy marshmallowy substance? It's like a melted marshmallow. And I get these really cool flakes. So I got to thinking, now that I know that this will be my finished product and that I can put it into molds, I think, friends, what I'm going to do is perhaps add some food coloring and maybe a couple of sprays of my favorite perfume, or maybe a little bit of shaving cream to see what kind of soapy lather I get. So this is what I'm gonna start working on, and I'll show you the results later. So friends, big shout out to Xavier for doing the rock candy crystallization project at home and sending me a video. Xavier is going to be my guest speaker next week on one of our new science experiments together. So friends, I hope that you continue to explore the properties of soap at home with an adult and have a lot of fun with it. I also want to mention that all next week, Mrs. Liebert will be sending you really cool daily messages, and we're going to continue our drive-by rainbow landings for all those game show participants that sent me some amazing responses. Friends, if you're interested in a drive-by rainbow landing, then send me some information about what you're doing with these fun science experiments. Send me a picture, a little video, or just a little email letting me know how you've been trying this and how you've been having some science-centered fun. I hope you found these videos really fun and really helpful. I have had so much fun inviting you into my science lab. Have a great day, friends, and a superific weekend. Sparkle on!